Hello and welcome to ProjectWork. I will tell you how to copy your schedule to a project portal based on Google Sites. From the ProjectWork menu, you can publish the project schedule's tasks table and Gantt chart to HTML code. Before we publish, we first adjust the schedule. When you collapse rows, they will not appear in the preview nor can they be recovered. When you hide columns, they will not appear in the preview nor can they be recovered. All other columns will be visible. The Gantt chart contains the entire project, or you can zoom and scroll to see a part of the timescale in the preview. To see what you publish, use the Preview button. The Tasks table and Gantt chart are shown in a new browser tab. If the preview is what you want, you click Embed to generate the HTML code in a new browser tab. The HTML code is copied from this tab using Ctrl-A, Ctrl-C. Google Sites can function as a project portal for project documentation and communication. You can start from scratch or from a template. The copied HTML code of the project schedule can be embedded by pasting it with Ctrl-V. Access to the portal can be restricted. If you have different information for different stakeholders, you can create sites with dedicated access. After completing the portal, you can publish it to an URL that you choose. Thank you for watching this demo video. You can install ProjectWork in the Google Workspace Marketplace.